2017 F-350 Lariat. Powerstroke under the hood. 51,400 kilometers. Remote entry, remote start. You can see the FX4 package. Tailgate step, reverse sensing, backup camera. The leather power heated cooled front seats, twin panel moonroof. Voice nav. Trailer tow. Beautiful F-350, and where you'll find it is at Brown Brothers Ford, Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.